Meta tags are little pieces of information stored in a web page but hidden from the person viewing the page. They're intended to be read by machines, not people. These tags appear near the top of the source code in the head section of the document, that is, before the ending head tag. The most important, from an SEO perspective, is the description meta tag, which contains a description of the page. We'll look at that in the next video. Then there's the keywords meta tag, a tag designed to hold a list of keywords related to the page contents. We'll look at that in a separate video too. There are various other meta tags you'll run across, many of which are more or less irrelevant from an SEO perspective. Things like the generator tag, which shows what tool was used to create the page. Content type tag, which defines the character set used in the page. And the copyright tag. Some site owners use various meta tags, even making up their own, to stuff keywords into them, in the hope that the search engines will read them. It's a waste of time. In general, search engines are not interested in content that is hidden from users, making exceptions for very specific tags, such as the description tag. There are a few other tags that can be used for SEO purposes. I won't go into great detail. You can Google for the details. There's the robots meta tag, which can be used to tell search engines to not index a page or not follow links on the page. It can also be used to tell the search engines to index the page or follow the links in the page, but that's rather pointless, as the search engines will index and follow if they want to, not because you tell them to. There's also a Googlebot meta tag that provides instructions specifically to Google. You can use this to tell Google not to archive, that is, cache your web pages. There are also geotags, which are used to specify a location for sites that represent local businesses. We'll look at that in a later video when we discuss localization. We're mostly concerned with the description and keywords tags though, and, as you'll see, not particularly concerned with the keywords tag even.